Hello ladies and germs! Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by my best friend Casey. She's been there through thick and thin and always does my makeup like amazingly, so I just want to do it just like her, you know? So right now we're going to get started with foundation. So you're going to take the foundation and just apply it liberally to your face. Make sure you get all the good spots, so that way it's makeup and concealer. If you get on your teeth, it's fine too. You know, you want to have your teeth thoroughly covered. So now that we got it fully applied, you're gonna take your booty blender and you're gonna blend it in. You're gonna make it look like your skin is just so blended. You know, you want to look smooth. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend it in real smooth. Yep, get it in your hair. Yep, get it on your eyebrows. You don't want to see your eyebrows because we're gonna do my eyebrows later anyways, so it's gonna be fine. Yeah, it's coming in quite well. Like, I'm missing a little bit on like my left cheek. Yeah, I'm gonna get my left cheek. Very good, very good. Yes, I'm blending. Yep. So now it's like. It's almost there. A little bit more on my left cheek. Yep. I'm doing great. Yep. Okay, so I finished with foundation, but we're gonna put, it's like foundation and concealer, so we're gonna put a little extra coverage in my eyebrows and on my eyebrows. Because you gotta make your eyes look popping. You gotta look bright. You gotta look bright and you gotta look right. I think I dropped my beauty blender. Okay, I picked it up and now we're gonna blend smooth. Yeah, just get my eyes looking right. You gotta get my eyes looking bright, like I haven't slept, or like I have slept for 3 days, which I haven't. So yeah, everything's looking blended, so that looks good. It looks great. It looks good and it looks great. So now we're gonna put some powder on, just to finish it all off. You're gonna take your kabuki brush and you're just gonna slap it on there. You know what I mean? Just make sure you're make sure you're all set and whatnot. You know, you want it to look finished. You want that nice matte finish. Just slap it on. Just rub it in. You gotta get in all the pores and all the nooks and crannies. You get some hairs in your mouth too. It's fine. So now that we've done that, or now that I've done that, we've already done the setting powder. Now we're moving on to eyeshadow. So get the eyeshadow. We're using ColourPop I'm using NYX Happy Birthday. I got this on my birthday because, you know, Sephora always coming through, not Sephora, it was Ulta. Ulta is always coming through with that really nice little birthday thing for your birthday. And we're gonna take the eyeshadow brush. We're gonna brush it on. Throw it on. Light circles around. You're gonna want to do what I do and just lightly brush it and windshield wiper motions around your eyeball. You know, watching Casey do my makeup all the time, I learned so much from her. It's like she's here with me, doing it with me. You know, I'm just so inspired by her. honestly, the best person I've ever had do my makeup. So anyway, we're gonna put on the rest of the eyeshadow. Look at that color. It's sort of fun. I'm gonna start with this little reddish color. That's what we put on first. We put on this reddish color. It doesn't have a name because these colors just don't have names apparently. But so now we're putting some under my eyebrow, just to make my eyebrows pop a little bit more. Because when I do because the foundation, you know, with foundation kind of covered up a little bit, so you want to make your eyebrows come back a little bit. You know, we can't have no eyebrows. What am I doing on YouTube without no eyebrows, you know? But, so she's putting more eyebrows. And, on my eye, I look great. We ain't even finished yet, but I look fantastic. So now we're gonna take the colorful Semi Precious. Yeah, Semi Precious. It's like metallic-y and pretty, and it's just everyone loves metallic, shiny colors. Like everyone likes their eyes pop. So you're gonna take your finger, and we're taking this reddish, brownish color. It's like bronzy. I'm gonna go right on my eye, just pack it in. Oh, so nice. Just pack it in really nicely, and then put it on your eye. Make sure it's on your eye. Yeah, we're gonna put it on the other eye now. Make sure it matches. You want them to be sisters, not friends. They're not friends, they're sisters. You know? They're not like your eyebrows. Your eyebrows gotta be cousins. They're not twins. Yeah. We're gonna do eyebrows. The brows. Alright, so first you gotta brush your eyebrows to make sure that they all look really uniform. Okay? And if you brush like the part where there are no eyebrows, it's cool too. Because you should just brush your whole face. And now we're gonna take the pencil and just gonna draw them in. Because you want your eyebrows to look thick, you know, thick with 2 Q's and 3 P's in an eye. So drawing the eyebrows. Even if you like get them like on your eyelid, that's okay too. You know? Yeah, I'm just gonna draw them in real thick because that's the style now. People like to get their eyebrows threaded. I just like to draw mine on thicker. So here we go. Alright, so now that we've done the eyebrows, we're moving on to eyeliner. Everyone loves a good winged eyeliner. No, that's not the eyeliner. I'm picking. No, that's not the right one, Natalie. What are you doing? No, over. Yeah, there we go, Nat. Good job, me. Alright, now we're taking out the eyeliner. I have to screw it off. There we go. So now we're gonna give myself a little cat eye. Meow. Wow. Alright, so right on the waterline, and just wing it out. This is very couture. They're doing this in all the New York fashion weeks and such. You know, it's a really avant-garde look. And under the eye too, and a little bit in the eyeball. It's so high fashion. It's great. So now we gotta put on mascara because you can't have eyeliner without mascara. You know, you gotta make some lashes pop before you make your eyes pop. No. And I found it. It's right here. Yay! Right. So now I gotta find. Should I open my eyes for this? I don't know. I'm just gonna keep them closed because I'm very prone to poking myself in the eye. So we're gonna just brush them on, real smooth, real nice. All right. Now our final part of the look. You gotta get lipstick because my lips is feeling chapped right now. Like look at it. You don't want your lips looking like this. You want them to look saucing. So I'm gonna pick a color, any color. Oh, I picked the red one. Great choice. Everyone loves a saucy red lip. You know what I mean? This was also a lipstick that Casey got me. Or she gave to me because she didn't like it. But it's such a nice color. It's so deep and red. It's beautiful. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're just gonna rub it in. Make sure it's on there. Great. And there we go. Yeah, I've completed the makeup look inspired by Casey. Bye, Casey. What? How do I look?
Oh my god! I was like, did you get anything on your teeth?
Did I?
It's not that bad. Oh my god!
Look, it's a look.
Let me see the front. Oh my god, that bronze shade though.
I'm obsessing over the winged eyeliner right here. That's so avant-garde.
That's like, oh my.
That's
like
New York fashion. That's New York fashion.
That part looks so cool on the camera.
It does.
It's just like,
it's beautiful. It looks good. I look great. Do you have anything to say for yourself?
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this.
Yep. So we'll see you in our next video.
I'm pretty sure I got my Brittany. Alright.
Bye.
Torian, look at your beautiful girlfriend. Goodbye. Wait, have to stop.
Stop. You look like someone that's in Kiss or something.
Wait, what's that song? Just try your accent. Yeah. Alright.
You put them backwards. Makeup's like
just. Why are you taking it all the way off? Alright. Bring it. To. What am I gonna do?
Where'd my phone go?
Where'd my phone go? Oh, I don't know.
Don't pay any attention.
Pay no attention to the woman behind the. Nothing is here. Now we're gonna put on more foundation. Because you can never be too covered. You know what I mean? I got lots of pimples. And we're gonna put on a little bit of concealer under my eyes. Because. Oh my god! You're gonna unscrew it. Yep. And it's. You gotta apply it to my face. Ooh, what is that? Oh, what is that? What is that? Okay, it's fine. Sorry. Okay. Hello. Okay. Hello, ladies and germs. Today I'm gonna be doing. Okay. Hello, ladies and germs. Hey, you have to wave. Okay.
Wait, I thought we were gonna be like.
That was funny. Okay. Hello, ladies and germs. Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Okay.